Hey everyone, I am Kids Cooking. Wait, edit that out. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kids Cooking. I am Chef Dan. Today we will be making
$5. I love the smell of money. Oh, they didn't see it there.
So as I was saying, we will be making
Wait.
What?
We've hit
All
our
right.
10
The
subscriber
favorite.
mark. And we've got the fake diamond play button. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and comment your favorite person in this video.
So as I was saying, again, we will be making some homemade.
Ice cream cake.
All right, we'll get on over here. All right, so Zadie is going to be helping us today too.
Ice cream sandwich.
So we had to improvise. You're supposed to use an actual loaf pan for this, but as I was looking for the loaf pan, realized that couldn't find it, and I guess we got rid of it. So improvisation right here.
I'm torn.
You need parchment paper. So we're going to put our parchment paper down in here. And the parchment paper will be just basically so that it'll make it easier to pull the ice cream cake out of the pan after it sets up.
Yeah.
So, open up ice cream sandwich number 1, Zadie. Raiden, you open one up too? Okay. Alright, so we've opened up 3 ice cream sandwiches, as you can see. We have laid them in the bottom of the pan on top of the parchment paper. If you don't make this a quick process, your ice cream will melt. So, we're going to use a tub of Cool Whip right here. Cool Whip. I'm going to use half of the tub of Cool Whip right here. Yep, half of it. And you take it and you put yourself a layer there. Okay. So there you have that. And then you just kind of evenly try to spread it out a little bit as you go on around here. Like so, right here. Okay. So there you have that. We'll add a little bit more of that goodness right in there. Alright, now, if you want to add some sprinkles or toppings, caramel sauce, or anything like that. Would you like to put some yellow sprinkles on there, Zadie?
Yeah.
Go easy with it. Like, let's see, let's shake it around when I get. Ooh. There's some yellow. Let's do some green. Braden, you want to put some green on there?
Yes.
Sprinkle it out. Here. Sprinkle it in there. Right there. Yeah, right there. Easy on the sprinkle. And don't get it everywhere. There we go. Alright, look at that. Alright, that looks delicious. You want to put some sprinkles, some of these sprinkles on there? But you can take crushed up cookies or crushed up graham crackers or whatever you might want to put in there. Cereal. Put in some cereal.
Yeah, let's put cereal.
Ooh, I know. Let's put some cinnamon toast crunch in there. All right, cinnamon toast crunch. Let's swap these out for some frozen. All right, so we got all of our middle toppings in there. Got some cinnamon toast crunch. These are delicious.
No.
It's fine. Just keep opening it. Just keep it in one piece. If you break it, you just got to keep it in one piece because guess what? It's a cake and it's going to get cut anyways. You get yours open. Dang, Zadie, you beat me. He said done. He was racing. All right. There we go. You put yours in there. All right. Look at that. Look at that. There you go.
It's a square.
Now you got your second topping on there.
See the second.
Then you got a smash them down a little bit.
Smash,
So that it'll smash some of that Cool Whip up around everything there. Hopefully we put these in line with the way they were before. I didn't even realize if I did or not. I forgot to pay attention to that. But if not, we're going to have a crisscross ice cream cake, opposed to your traditional layer ice cream cake.
Oh.
Alright. Alright. Now you add more Cool Whip. More of that delicious, delicious Cool Whip. Whoever don't like Cool Whip
Put peanut butter.
ain't even right.
Yeah, and
There we go. Get it good and spread out there, where it covers the whole pan. Now we have to let her freeze for 1 hour. So then after you get your Cool Whip all whipped all around there, add yourself a little bit more sprinkles. We're going to go blue. We'll do my old school colors in this one for anybody that watches it that went to Shoto Wildcats here in the Barnes household. Get blue and gold is what them colors are. And then we'll add a little bit of sprinkles on top with the help of Zayden right there. Sprinkle them around on there. Alright. Look at that. Right there. Alright. Good on the sprinkles. Good on the Cool Whip. Now you take plastic wrap. Can't get this to shut. There we go. Take plastic wrap and you cover the top. And you lay it right on top. Just like that, right? And you cover it up. Hold that right there, Zadie. Thank you. Okay. Get a good cover on that old thing right there. And then you pop her in the freezer for an hour to let it harden up.
Yep.
All right, so it's been about an hour, and here we are back from letting it freeze over. All right, now we need go over there like that and like that. So then you gently lift it up out of there, move it over there, and peel it off. So there. Pull it off the sides. I gotta try to move this thing. Here we are with this here. It's all one solid cake. And move it over here. Then you spread the sides on down around, just like you would an ordinary cake. There you have it. You have an ice cream cake, homemade. And now we are going to move on to the tasting segment, everybody's favorite part. Alright, so here we are at the final segment, the tasting segment of our video that everybody likes. This is the best part, but it's getting a little bit late, so we're only going to have a taste. So, who wants the first bite? Zadie?
I don't care.
Alright. We'll give it a slice like this right here. Look at that. That was pretty darn good. There's 4 of us, so we're going to do 4 bites. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Alright, baby. There you go. Here, take your spoon. Oh, yeah, I'm going for the largest piece.
It's not the largest.
That is the largest
Wait,
piece.
it is? I didn't realize that. I thought the middle one was.
Alright. I think the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal really made it good.
Yeah, I did.
Alright. Thanks for watching. Kids Cooking. Well, I think the Cinnamon Toast Crunch made it taste pretty good.
But wait, before you click on another video, like and subscribe, comment your favorite person in this video. Want to make sure you never miss a kids cooking video again? Hit that notification bell and turn on push notifications to make sure you never miss a kids cooking video again.